हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल फार्मा रिसर्चर। आज की वीडियो में मैं डिस्कस करूंगा फार्मेसी गेट 2002 ईयर का क्वेश्चन पेपर। इस पेपर का फॉर्मेट भी पिछले वाले पेपर की तरह सिमिलर है। इसमें भी टोटल नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस 50 हैं, जिसमें फर्स्ट 25 क्वेश्चंस जो हैं वो 1 मार्क कैरी करते हैं हर एक क्वेश्चन, और जो नेक्स्ट 25 क्वेश्चंस हैं वो 2 मार्क्स ईच हैं। तो चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं, स्टार्ट करते हैं पहले क्वेश्चन से। So the first question is, volatile oil from lemon peels contain D-limonene, which is, so the correct answer for this question is, it is monocyclic monoterpene derivative. Next question is, in case of digitalis purpurea, the cardiac activity is maximum with, so the correct answer is option D, purpurea glycoside A. Next question is, Dragendorf's reagent does not give a positive test with, so the correct answer is option C. Next question is, the instrument used to measure particle volume is, so the correct answer is option A, Coulter counter. Next question is, the purpose of seal coating in sugar coating process for tablets is, so the answer is option A, to prevent moisture penetration into the tablet core. Next question is, the phenomena of increasing the solubility of weak electrolytes and nonpolar molecules by the addition of a soluble miscible solvent in which the drug has good solubility is called, so the correct answer is option B, co-solvency. Next question is, HLV system is used to classify, the correct answer is option A, surfactants. Next question is, the statement store in a cool place as per IP means, so the answer is option C, store at any temperature between 8 to 25 degrees Celsius. Next question is, durability of a tablet to combined effects of shock and abrasion is evaluated by using, so the correct answer is option C, Frivillator. Next question is, ion exchange capacity of a resin is dependent on, so the correct answer is option B, the total number of ion active groups. Next question is, in mass spectra the most intense peak is the, so the correct answer is option A, base peak. Next question is, chemical shift is expressed in one of the following units, so the correct answer is option C, parts per million, ppm. Next question is, xenon arc lamp is the source of light in, so the correct answer is option A, spectrophlorimetry. Next question is, which of the following pairs has an interaction beneficial for routine clinical use? So the correct answer is option A, pseudoephedrine and aluminum hydroxide gel. Next question is, measurement of which of the following two constituents of human plasma is of great value in the differential diagnosis of rheumatoid disease? So the correct answer for this is option A, rheumatoid factor and immunoglobulin G. The next question is, which of the following is a valid comparison of live attenuated vaccines versus killed inactivated vaccines? So the correct answer is option B, that is live attenuated vaccines are more effective in children. Next question is, an antineoplastic agent acting by folate antagonism and having a pteridine ring is, so the correct answer for this is option C, methotrexate. Next question is, one of the following drugs has 1,4-dihydropyridine structure, a tertiary amino group in the side chain and calcium channel antagonist action. So the correct answer is option B, nicardipine. Next question is, IUPAC name for one of the steroidal anti-inflammatory agents is 9-alpha fluoro, 11 beta, 16 alpha, 17 alpha, 21 tetrahydroxy, 1 pregnadiene, 320 dione. So the correct answer for this question is option C, triamcinolone. Next question is clofazimine belongs to a class of. So the correct answer is option A, riminophenazines. Next question is one of the drugs is an old one in terms of its biological action. So the correct answer for this is option B, tamoxifen. Next question is the key intermediates for the synthesis of timolol are. So the correct answer is option A, that is 3,4 dichloro 1,2,5 thiazole. Next question is one of the following drugs interrupts the synthesis of thyroid hormones by preventing iodine incorporation into the tyrosyl residue of thyroglobulin. So the correct answer for this is option C, propyl thiouracil. Next question is macrolide antibiotics exert their action why? So the correct answer is option C, by terminating protein synthesis prematurely. The next question is one of the following is a selective beta 2 stimulant. So the correct answer is option B, salbutamol. Now moving to the next part of this paper, which is carrying 2 marks each for a question. So the question is cascaricide A is an example of. So the correct answer is option D, O and C glycoside. Next question is precursor for the biosynthesis of tropane group of alkaloids is. So the correct answer is option C, ornithine. Next question is the extraction of steroidal saponins on commercial scale is from. So the correct answer is option A, that is Dioscorea. Next question is Rauwolfia serpentine wenth can be distinguished from other adulterants or substitutes of Rauwolfia species. Why? So the correct answer is option D, by the presence of sclerides. Now next question is schedule FF contains the list of the following. So the correct answer for this is option C, that is standards for ophthalmic preparation. Next question, one of the following equation is used to predict the stability of a drug product at room temperature from experiments at accelerated temperature. So the correct answer for this question is option B, Arrhenius equation. Next question is one of the following apparatus is used to determine the particle size via the gravity sedimentation method. So the correct answer for this is option C, Anderson apparatus. So next question is one of the following mills works on both the principles of attrition and impact. So the correct answer is option D, that is fluid energy mill. Next question is a commonly used antioxidant for oil system is. So the correct answer is option A, butylated hydroxyl toluene. Next question is in digitalis glycoside C17 position at the steroidal ring is substituted by. So the correct answer is option A, it is substituted by alpha beta unsaturated 5-membered lactone ring. The next question is metoprolol is sometimes preferred to propranolol because. So the correct answer is option C, it has a beta 1 selective antagonist and it does not enter the brain. Next question is the major product formed by the condensation of 2-trifluoromethyl phenothiazine with sodamide and 1,3-chloropropyl 4-methyl piperazine. So the correct answer for this question is option B, trifluoperazine. Next question is one of the following statements is characteristic for natural estrogens. So the correct answer for this question is option A, that is aromatic ring with phenolic group and an estrange nucleus. Next question is, one of the following opioid peptides is released from melanocortin, that is POMC. So the correct answer for this question is option B, that is beta endorphin. Next question is, the ultra short acting barbiturates have brief duration of action due to. So the answer is option D, due to the rapid rate of redistribution from the brain due to its high liposolubility. Next question is, derivatization is done in GC. So the correct answer for this is option C. It is done to convert a polar compound to a less polar compound. The next question is, qualitative analysis by polarography is based on. So the correct answer is option B, that is half-wave potential. The next question is, the stationary phase used in gel permeation chromatography is. So the correct answer is option D, that is styrene divinyl benzyl copolymer. The next question is, a conductivity cell consists of. So the correct answer for this is option A. It consists of two platinized platinum electrodes. Next question is, a typical example of exotoxin is. So the correct answer is option C. Tetanospasmin. What is tetanospasmin? So the next question is, a specimen isolated from a patient suffering from septicemia was found to be a strict aerobe. While has a characteristic grape-like odor and it was susceptible to carbanicillin. Identify the organism. So for this question the correct answer is option D, that is Pseudomonas aeruginosa. The next question is, the pKa of 0.9, and if the pH of the infected tissue is 8.9, the fraction of drug in the ionized form will be. So the correct answer for this is option B, 10%. Next question is, the drug regimen useful in the treatment of both intestinal and extra-intestinal symptoms of amoebiasis orally is. So the correct answer is option C, metronidazole and diloxanide. The next question is, the drug nifedipine can be synthesized from. So the correct answer is option A, that is O-nitrobenzaldehyde, methyl acetoacetate and ammonia. Now coming to the last question of today's session, that is methyl malonyl coenzyme A mutase which catalyzes the conversion of propionyl coenzyme A to succinyl coenzyme A utilizes the prosthetic group derived from. So the correct answer for this is option A, that is cyanocobalamin. So that's all for today. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में जो कि होगी फार्मेसी गेट 2003 ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर की डिस्कशन. तो थैंक यू वेरी मच.